Garelli 1976. We're going to put some new oil in it. Because this is what happened. I plugged it up, but enough oil leaked out for me to just in case change the whole thing. So I'm going to let it run for about a minute. I just started it, so it's nice and warm, and a lot of the garbage is going to flow out with the older oil. Okay, that should be good. So let's see if this works. So this is where we're going to try to fill it, and let's try and get this open. There's a screw on the bottom, and I have this adjustable thing, wrench. Okay, so let's see. So this would be tidy, right? So left to see. Okay. So that's definitely the right way. Left to Lucy. And it's pretty hot, but we'll take it with our hands because we don't give a crap. Little burn is fine. So we're gonna let it all leak, and and then we'll put a new one in, and we'll get back to you.